Steady to go in Worcester County. Coastal Highway at Ocean City, fine. Got 50 and 90 into and out of Ocean City. 589 good through Ocean Pines. 113 from Bishopville to Berlin. Newark, Snow Hill, and Pocomoke, okay there. And Wycomico County moving along on 50 from Willards to Pittsville to Parsonsburg. Bypass around town good and 50 good to the Bay Bridge. That's your traffic for the Voice Radio Network.
Urologist Dr. Jason Smith from Atlantic General Hospital. Good morning.
Good morning, guys. How are you today?
Hi, good morning.
Hey, Bill and Jessica. Yes, thank you so much for checking in. We appreciate it. Can you believe it's September the 1st?
It's
here
terrible.
already.
I already know. Right. Terrible.
But it's good. The tourists go away, so we get some more room around here.
Right. It's getting ready to be the local summer.
There you go.
Hey, you're checking in this morning. First off, thank you for all you do. You guys got a big event coming up September the 14th. It's a free event for men at risk for prostate cancer. Give us a rundown, man. Tell us all about the event.
Yeah, so we're providing a free event for men to screen for prostate cancer, which consists of a blood test, a PSA, and an exam. It's completely free, no obligations. We're not going to try to sell you a timeshare or anything like that. And it just lets people know what their risk of having prostate cancer is. And we know access can be a little trouble around here, so we're trying to get as many people in as we can to help them out.
Yeah, absolutely. So let me ask you, prostate cancer, when is the appropriate age for someone to say, all right,
Like it's time for me to get checked.
Yeah, time for me to get checked, because I got, I'll be honest with you, I'm 41, and if I'm not very rarely do I voluntarily go to the doctor to get checked if nothing's wrong. You know what I mean? Like, when's the right time to be like, all right.
Well, Bill, for sure I can come in there and give you the exam on air, and that really makes people feel good free for you. Just to show you how easy it is.
You know what I like?
I like you a lot.
But in general, screening, there's some nuances, but the perfect population is men between the ages of 50 to 70.
Okay.
A yearly screening test with the blood test and rectal exam is what's recommended.
So you would come in here and give me the rectal exam on the air?
Free of charge. Don't worry, we have lubrication. I have gloves, so
maybe I'll just
listeners how easy it is.
Let's take a rain check on that.
All right, fine. Got a few years to go. Then you'll be seeing me.
Right. Well, again, for people who want more information on these screenings, and if they want more information on prostate cancer, how can people get up with you or the hospital, or what should they do?
Yeah, again, the event is September 14th between 5 to 7 here at our cancer center in Berlin, Maryland. You must pre-register for it. There is a phone number, which I won't read out on air because I just saw that Progressive commercial that you don't read numbers on air because nobody writes it down anyways. If you see that one, it's cute. But nonetheless, the Atlantic General Facebook site has information on the event too, where the number's there, and you can call, get registered, and we hope to see as many people as we can.
Absolutely. Again, free event, Men at Risk for Prostate Cancer, September the 14th, 5 to 7 at the John H. Jack Burbidge Jr. Regional Cancer Center in Berlin. You're going to be out there.
I'm there with my partner, Dr. Cherry, and one of our radiation oncologists.
Very good. And then, of course, you got to pre-register, hit up Atlantic General Hospital. I really like you. I would like to possibly be able to call you and ask you doctor questions if possible in the future.
Anytime, Bill. We treat a lot of things. We got the little blue pills. We got bent vegetables all over the news now. So,
man, I like this guy.
Oh, my God. He is great.
I like this guy. I know you're a urologist, but can you be like my regular doctor?
I work on the male brain, so that's what I do.
If you can give me a rectal exam, you can do anything.
Well, anytime. I'll come up there on there, and we'll show people how easy it is.
Man, you're the best. You're the best. All right, so, again, the free event, it's going on at Atlantic General Hospital. Doc, thank you so much for, checking in. We appreciate it.
Early detection is key, so.
Yeah, it's very important. It's very sad to find late-stage cancer when we can, find and prevent things very quickly and easily.
Urologist Jason Smith.
The Voice Radio Network and First State Community